Right, the text message came through, the time, the place. It's actually happening. A Rolls-Royce, just for me. Can you believe it, eh? I almost wore my favorite comfy jumper. So glad I put on a smart shirt. This is proper fancy, this is. My palms are a bit sweaty, I won't lie. Just a little bit. Okay, maybe quite a lot, if I'm honest. Then I see it. Oh my goodness. Gracious me, it's not just a car, is it? It's like a beautiful, shiny land yacht. So polished, so incredibly big. It just gleams under the lights. I think even the pigeons stop to stare. They're probably dead jealous. I know I would be if I were them. This is absolutely next-level stuff. So, the chauffeur, cool as a cucumber, glides over to the door. He doesn't just yank it open. Oh no, he presents it like it's a precious, sparkling gift. And it really is a fantastic gift of pure, unadulterated amazingness. The door itself is huge, so solid, and it opens backwards. How unbelievably cool is that? Coach doors, that's what they call them. Very fancy indeed. I take a little peek inside. Wow. Just wow. It smells absolutely incredible in there, like rich, expensive leather. And the sweet scent of success. And maybe, just maybe, a tiny hint of angel dust. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised at all. The sheer craftsmanship, you can just tell, can't you? Every single stitch, every tiny detail. Right then, I'm in. I've made it inside, and the seats, oh my word, the seats. They're not just ordinary seats, are they? They are magnificent thrones, probably made of fluffy clouds and soft marshmallows. And I reckon a bit of unicorn fluff too. I sink right in, and I really do mean sink. It just sort of hugs you, in the best, most comforting way possible. The leather is so unbelievably soft, so wonderfully supple, like a brand new baby's bottom, but you know, much, much more expensive, I imagine. I run my hand over it gently. It feels absolutely amazing. I could just sit here quite happily all day long. Forget driving anywhere specific. Just let me live in this glorious seat forever, please. Now let's have a proper chat about legroom. You know, when it comes to comfort in a car, legroom is one of those things that can make or break the experience. It's not just about having space, it's about having the freedom to move, to stretch, and to relax without feeling confined. I'm not exactly the smallest bloke in the world, am I? Standing tall and broad, I need a car that can accommodate my frame without making me feel like I'm in a sardine can. I need my space to breathe. It's essential for my comfort and overall driving experience. And this car, it delivers on that front. Big time it does. The designers have clearly thought about every inch of space, ensuring that even the tallest passengers can sit back and relax. I stretch my legs all the way out. It's like having a personal lounge on wheels, as far as they can go. And let me tell you, that's quite a distance. And there's still loads of room. It's almost like sitting in a first-class airplane seat, but on the road. I could probably do a little tap dance in here. Imagine that, a tap dance in the back of a car. A little legroom jig, perhaps. It's not just about space. It's about the freedom to move and enjoy the ride. It's like having your own private limousine in the back. The luxury, the space, the comfort is all there. But even better, if you can imagine, it's a step above the rest, a class of its own. Because it's a Rolls-Royce, isn't it? The name itself is synonymous with luxury and excellence. I reckon I could have a full-on picnic in here, spread out a blanket, bring some snacks, and just enjoy the ride. Invite a few of my good mates over. There's enough room for everyone to sit comfortably and enjoy themselves. We could even play a game of cards. The space is that generous. Okay, maybe not a massive game, but certainly enough for a few hands of poker or a quick round of rummy. But you get the general idea. So much glorious space. It's a game changer for long drives and road trips. No more knees banging up against the seat in front. Thank goodness for that. It's a relief to have all this room. No more feeling all cramped and squished in. Just pure, unadulterated comfort and luxury. Section 5, floating on air, the smoothest ride, bar none. The chauffeur starts the engine, or at least I think he does. I can barely hear a single thing. It's so incredibly quiet, like being in a very well-stocked library. A very, very fancy and expensive library, mind you. We start moving, and it's not really like driving at all. It's more like gliding, or gently floating, on a magical flying carpet, perhaps. Bumps in the road? What bumps are those? This car just eats them up for breakfast. You honestly don't feel a thing. It's quite incredible, really. It's like the road itself is made of pure silk, or perhaps soft melted butter, just smooth, smooth, smooth all the way. I bet I could balance a cup of tea on my head. Probably. I might try later. The world outside the window whizzes by in a blur. Section 6, Gadget Heaven, press all the buttons. Okay, so comfort is definitely sorted. The seats are plush, the materials are top-notch, and you feel like you're sitting on a cloud. But that's just the beginning. The ride quality is absolutely sorted. It's like gliding on air with the suspension absorbing every bump and dip in the road. You barely feel a thing. But what about all the fun stuff? The gadgets? This is where the real magic happens. This car is completely packed with them. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted by a dazzling array of buttons and screens. Like a proper tech geek's ultimate dream come true. Every button has a purpose, every screen a function. There are little buttons absolutely everywhere, and screens too, so many screens. It's like being in a futuristic spaceship. I really want to press everything. Each button seems to promise a new adventure, a new feature to explore, but I'll try my best to behave. Try? It's hard to resist the temptation, though. Entertainment system? Check, it's got one. Big, beautiful, high-definition screens for watching movies, perhaps? Or maybe even catching up on your favorite TV shows, or listening to brilliant music. The sound quality is phenomenal, making every note crystal clear, or maybe for a bit of carpool karaoke practice. Oh, absolutely. Imagine belting out your favorite tunes with friends. The sound system in here is totally epic. Crystal clear, powerful sound. It's like having a concert hall on wheels. It's like having a private concert right here in the car. Every drive becomes a musical experience. Adele would sound amazing in here, wouldn't she? And get this, folks, a mini fridge. Perfect for keeping your drinks chilled. Yes, a proper little fridge. Just imagine the convenience on long trips for some lovely champagne, perhaps. Celebrating a special occasion on the go, or a nice cold bottle of water. Staying hydrated has never been so luxurious, or maybe even a sneaky chocolate bar for later. A little treat to enjoy on the road. The possibilities are completely endless, aren't they? You can stock it with whatever you fancy. This is pure, unadulterated genius. The level of thought and detail that has gone into this car is astounding. Why on earth doesn't every single car have one of these? It's the epitome of luxury and convenience. Section 7. Twinkle, twinkle, little star ceiling. Now then, for my absolute favorite bit so far. Look up. Just tilt your head and look up. It's the famous starlight headliner. Thousands upon thousands of tiny twinkling lights. Just like the stars in the beautiful night sky, but they're inside the car with you. It's completely magical, absolutely positively breathtaking. I could just stare at it for hours and hours. You can even adjust the brightness of the stars, make it a lovely soft romantic glow, or a brilliant dazzling sparkle. It's like having your very own personal galaxy on demand. How on earth do they actually do it? Fiber optics, apparently, those clever people. It's quite possibly the most romantic thing ever. In a car anyway, amazing. And the lighting elsewhere in the car, it's all adjustable. Of course it is. Proper mood lighting. Section 8. A dash of history. Posh, posh, posh. You know, Rolls-Royce isn't just any old car company, is it? It's a name that resonates with luxury, elegance, and a rich heritage that spans over a century. When you think of Rolls-Royce, you think of the pinnacle of automotive excellence. It's got some serious history. A history that is not just about cars, but about a legacy of innovation, craftsmanship, and an unwavering commitment to quality. Real, proper pedigree, as they say, the kind of pedigree that has been built over decades of relentless pursuit of perfection. It was started by Mr. Rolls and Mr. Royce, two visionaries who came together with a shared dream way back over 100 years ago, in 1904 to be precise. They set out to create the best car in the world. Their big dream was to make the very best car in the entire world, and they didn't just dream it, they made it a reality. And you know what? I think they actually did it. They really did. Rolls-Royce cars are still considered the epitome of luxury and engineering excellence. Kings and queens have ridden in these magnificent cars. Famous movie stars, rock and roll legends, the elite of the elite, all the biggest names you can think of, they all have a story with a Rolls-Royce. It's a massive symbol of success, of great achievement. Owning a Rolls-Royce is like owning a piece of history, of having really, really good taste. The kind of taste that appreciates the finer things in life. And, well, a little bit of spare cash, obviously. But it's more than just money. It's about a lifestyle. But mostly it's about the impeccable taste, I reckon. The spirit of ecstasy. That iconic symbol that adorns the bonnet of every Rolls-Royce. That incredibly famous silver lady on the bonnet. She represents the grace and elegance of the brand. She's a true icon, isn't she? A symbol of the timeless beauty and sophistication that Rolls-Royce stands for. Leaning gracefully into the wind, so elegant, so beautiful, just like the cars she adorns. Section 9, the royal treatment feeling like a superstar. So the magnificent ride is slowly coming to an end. Sadly, all good things must. But how do I actually feel right now? In just one word: spoiled. Utterly and wonderfully spoiled. Pampered even, like a member of the royal family. Or at the very least, a very important pop star, who, you know, sometimes sings in cars. It's an amazing feeling. Truly, truly special. You step out of a Rolls-Royce. And people definitely look. They just know, don't they? This isn't just any old arrival. It's a proper event. You feel a little bit taller somehow. A little bit more confident in yourself, like you can go out and take on the whole world. Or at least sing a really, really good power ballad at the top of your lungs. It's not just about all the luxury, though that part is, of course, absolutely incredible.